Is it even possible to have a strategy with over 16 million% in gain? Or is it just fake? Is it repainting? Is it lagging? Or is it really working with real-time data? So can you really use it like this with these results in your real life trading? And I will show you and I will prove you in this video that we actually have a real-time strategy and it's not repainting. Let me prove it to you. So first of all, yes, these results are crazy, but they are working, or they are this high because we have small gains over time with a good winning rate, and then you have the compounding effect. So over time it grows to this tremendous amount, which is, yes, really crazy, but it works. As you can see here, the strategy has really, in this example, okay, so this is an example for the Black Skulls model, but we all of our strategies are verified, so you can be sure it's non-repainting. And yeah, I will demonstrate you. So here you can see it works very well. So you have these buy signals in the very low of the range and the sell signals very high of the range, actually on top of every move. So you have low, high, and this is why the strategy works so good. And now let me prove to you that it's working. So you have two ways to prove it's working on it. So one is the bar replay mode, and you can all test it yourself in your own setup. So what you can do is you can take a look at where you have these buy and sell signals and what the back test is saying. So first of all, or what we can do here is we can take a look. We have around 16 million%, 16.2 million%. Okay, just have that in mind. And then we can replay and go back to, let's say, something here and see if we replay, if the results are the same. So now you can see we only have 10 million% because we the strategy has some more month and some more time and days to run until we are like today where I'm recording this video. And if we do so, we see it's opening and closing positions in real time. And as you can see, these are the exact same positions and openings and closings, entries and exits, like if you wouldn't use the backtester. And as you can see, it's growing and growing and growing, and you will see we end up at around 16 million% again. So it's working, and you don't have any repainting or any lagging here. So the results are totally correct, and it's working for live trading. And another test we could do is we could go to the Bitcoin, for example. So I just go to the Bitcoin. It's not working on the Bitcoin. The strategy in this example is made for the SPX, S&P 500. But here we have a 24-hour market and can even see at any given time how the strategy performs. And then we can just let the strategy run in real time. We can just create a little line here so we know when we started the test. And now we just keep it running in real time. So this is 100% real time. As you can see, every second you get a new bar here. And we just let the strategy run for a second, and then you will see the entries and exit. And then if we will mark it, we will mark them here, and then we will reload the page so we see the live versus the historical data. And let us do this first. So I take a pen here and just mark the points where we have the entries and the exits, or the exit and the entries. And you can see it if we just do it like this. You can see we have it here and here, right? So, okay. And now we save it and we reload the page. And what you can see is right here, exactly. And what you can see is that these are on the totally right places. So if it would repaint, you would see that these lines we made, these markers here, would be somewhere else on the chart. And the entries and exits are somewhere else. So they wouldn't be the same, but they are actually on the correct like position. Okay, so this is a proof that it's real time and non-lagging, no repainting, etc. So the strategy works exactly like in the back test. And if we go back, you can see that these results are actually real. So you could use this strategy in your live trading with the exact same result. So if you execute these trades at your broker, at a good broker, of course, with low spreads, low fees, on the S&P 500 in the fastest possible time. So you execute them not like 10 minutes later, but when you get the alert, you just execute them, then you will receive kind of these results. Of course, you maybe have a little bit of slippage, maybe the broker has some more or less fees, but what we also can see here, our strategies are already built in a way so they are realistic. So we have the commission here, which is quite conservative already in comparison to the S&P 500. And we also have the slippage here of 2 ticks. So basically, it's already pre-built or preset in a conservative way. So it could be that your broker has less commissions, and if you execute them fast enough, you have even lower slippage. So all of this could be, and then your results could be even higher. So yes, our strategies are real time, they are not lagging, no repainting. Here's the proof, and this is just an example for this strategy, but it's the same for all of our strategies because we verify every single strategy, test them properly, so you can be sure it's working in your live trading too. And in the end, what can I say? Of course, how to do it. So if you, first of all, of course, you need to go to PineIndicators, choose any strategy that you like to trade in the market you like, then you will get granted access. Then you can just add it to your chart like this. And then the only thing you need to do is to create an alert, and then you get notified by TradingView whenever you have to buy and sell. Very easy with the exact quantity, with the lot size you have to take. Or what you also can do, use our auto trade strategy automation service, which you will find in the card section. And here you can choose how many strategies you want to automate, like just one. Then you choose Essential. Pro is for up to 3 strategies, or Unlimited for unlimited strategies, of course. Just add it to your chart like this, and then you can automate any strategy very, very easily. So you don't even have to do anything. You just set it up. It takes like 10 minutes, and then your strategy executes even while you sleep. So 24/7. And this is, of course, very, very good. So yeah, that's the proof that our strategies are actually working. And what should you do now? Of course, go to PineIndicators, choose a strategy, and test it yourself. That's it from me. I hope you have a good time, happy trading, and great profits. See you again.